guys, me Bribbingish, and wow, would you look at that, this guy is so good at Deepwoken. But he wasn't always this way, so let's go back to the start and see how he managed to learn all this. To teach our AI how to parry, we first have to think about how we parry. In a fight, our brain does a lot of processing very quickly with the stuff that we gather with our eyes. So for example, let's pause right here. If you look closely, you can see that this guy is about to kick us in the face. And we don't want that to happen. So what we do is we estimate, alright, how much time do I have before his face, the other way around, his leg hits my face. Which is essentially just how much time before the attack lands. And once we figure that out, we look at our own options. Do we have the parry key? If yes, then parry the attack. If no, then dodge the attack. And if you don't have your dodge, then I don't know, I hope you brought a shield or something out. It's a very simple decision tree, which is a good thing, because you know, I don't want to leave my computer on like it's mining Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the stuff that we need to make decisions. Is the opponent attacking? Is the attack about to hit us? Do we have our parry? And do we have our dodge? Keep in mind that this list is going to be shortened later on because I planned this out ahead of time and my planning is not very good. Well anyways, for the AI to actually have this information, we're just going to have to spoon feed it because you know he doesn't have eyes. Alright, so what we're going to do right here is we're going to make a states folder that's going to have a bunch of information about the character, and we're going to name this one attacking time, which is basically just going to be how long has it been since the NPC started attacking. Or like swinging. Now we're gonna make a can parry and can dodge variable so that you know the NPC knows when it can parry and when it can dodge. Keep in mind that these variables are gonna be the same for both the attacker and the defender, and by attacker I mean me for the most part, because I'm probably just gonna be auto clicking on this guy just to try and train him. Oh my goodness, my lag is crazy. All right, now that the AI has the information, what is it gonna do with it? How is it gonna learn how to parry? So essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a bootleg genetic algorithm, which is really just fancy terms for throwing numbers at a wall until it sticks. Alright, so basically this is a strand. It's a list of numbers that make up the DNA of a bot, and we have 6 numbers here. These are actually 3 sets of 2, with each set being correlated with an input, and the number of numbers in that set being the number of outputs. And also, quick note, cross this part out, I realized it was redundant later on. The attacking time is going to give us some number, like, I don't know, 0.4 or something, and it's going to get multiplied with this number, and with this number. Parry available is probably going to give us like a 1 or like a -1 depending on whether it's, you know, available or not, and then it's going to go here, and we don't care about this part, I crossed that out earlier. And then when we're making our decision to parry or to dodge, we see if the number is negative or positive. So if it's like above 0, then you know, go parry or go dodge, essentially just summing the 2 results from both of the inputs. So what we're looking to do is have the AI figure out the perfect combination of these numbers so that, you know, it always parries, it always dodges, and it's essentially like, well, literally a parry bot. And that's where like the genetic algorithm AI thingy comes in. So first things first, we need a way to rate the AI's performance. So I made a little point system that rewards it based off of its actions. It lands a parry, plus 10 points. It lands a dodge, plus 10 points. It gets hit, minus 10 points. And now what we do is we just throw a bunch of randomly generated strands in a ring and just see how well they do. And then we can rank the AIs in order of best performance, making a generation of AIs. We take the best AIs and then we slap them together to make like the next generations by combining their DNA at random splices. If you want a more in-depth explanation on like genetic algorithms and whatnot, you can check out B Ricey's video from 2 years ago in which he trains a bunch of bots to do parkour with like the same setup I'm talking about right now. I'll link it in the description for anybody that's interested. Anyways, you might be wondering, okay, why are you calling yours a bootleg genetic algorithm? Well, these genetic algorithms are called that because they simulate natural selection by dumping a bunch of animals or like bots into an environment until like the best are left. But since I wanted a really nice time lapse for this video, rather than having like multiple bots with different DNA fight multiple different opponents, I kind of just had like one bot go for 1,000,000 strands until it figured it out. Is it a time waster? Yeah. Does it look cool though? For sure. But hold on, with all this talk about like fancy nerd algorithm crap, we forgot one thing. We can't even parry or dodge. We're not in Deepwoken. Then I remembered, oh wait, I could just you know, steal code from my old project that I had. By the way, check this out. Now back to what I was saying. Now we have a parrying system and also this big axe that some of you guys may recognize. No, I don't condone the character's actions. It's just a really cool axe. And now that we have this all done, we can finally go in game and try it out a little bit. Alright, so I think I got the AI working somewhat. It's not really moving right now, but eventually it will start doing things if I hit it enough. Okay, this one just does not want to do anything. Yeah, no, this one's kind of dumb. Alright, so I added a little mutation feature. Wait, I forgot to actually add it in the code. Hey, for all the programmers out there, do y'all ever just forget to like you write a function and you forget to actually call the function and you're just like, why isn't it working? Alright, time to leave my auto clicker on. And I'll be back in like 5 minutes or something, I don't know.
5 minutes later.
I was kind of hoping that after I finished doing the crap, like watering the plant, that it would actually like fix itself. Oh hey, it dodged, okay. Yeah, no, it's still not doing great. Well, I'll figure it out. Alright, so I made myself a little generation strand, whatever counter in the top right. What I'm gonna do is increase the amount of weight parrying has for the AI so that it doesn't dodge as much, because we want it to parry and then when it's out of the option, dodge. So I changed around the weighting a little bit to where you actually need 0.25 or above to make the decision true. Alright, since I have confidence in this one, I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Alright, so we reached about generation 10, and it seems like all the strands now know how to parry. Yeah, look at that, they're doing beautiful. And just to show you guys that the bot isn't just parrying at a set interval, look at this. Yep. Okay, so I thought I would need to teach them what to do after I faint. They're just like so good at parrying with their AI reaction time that they don't need to like roll after a feint, they just don't parry. Oh. Hold on. Yeah, okay, no. I just have to like feint later. And then I'll bait out their parry. Okay, so now, yeah, now they need to learn how to roll. I think I'm gonna just make another bot that's just the attacking bot because I'm tired of auto-clicking. Probably should have done that from the start, but you know, it's a more immersive like experience this way where I actually swing at him. Let me just copy this guy over. Name him aggro Deepwoken, how about that? And this should just be an easy while loop because I already have like the weapon stuff finished. Alright, since we don't want the NPC to always faint because that's gonna get predictable, let's have it be a random chance, 50-50 chance. Alright, look at this. It seems like the bot has learned how to roll feints. If the bot would faint, there we go. That took about 20 generations to do, which you know, I guess should be expected. Alright, it is my turn. Alright, let me just go ahead and drag this guy over here. Alright. So if I were to faint, oh, that was too early. Faint? Yeah, and then he'll dodge it. Nothing should get past this guy's guard. Not even if I... Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, this guy's good. This is the pinnacle of Deepwoken defense. I literally cannot do anything against him. Faint? Oh. Oh, wait, what? I actually got him. Oh, wait. That was a different strand. Never mind. So let's go ahead and copy this set of genes. And there we go. We've successfully taught an AI how to play Deepwoken. And we got this little, like, save slate for it as well. If you guys want me to teach the AI how to like beat Efron or something, or like actually move around and attack, then you know, like and subscribe. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.